Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth while others struggle to make ends meet, even with similar incomes? The answer may lie in the psychology of money, the intricate interplay between our mindsets, emotions, and financial decision-making. Join us on a journey as we explore the fascinating world of the psychology of money and how it can profoundly impact your financial well-being. The power of beliefs and attitudes. Our beliefs and attitudes toward money are deeply ingrained, shaped by the tapestry of our upbringing, cultural background, and personal experiences. These fundamental beliefs can wield a powerful influence over our financial behaviors, often in subtle and unconscious ways. Imagine two individuals, Sarah and Tom, both raised in vastly different environments. Sarah grew up in a household where money was a constant source of anxiety, with her parents struggling to make ends meet. This scarcity mindset became etched into her psyche, leading her to hoard cash and avoid taking risks, even when promising growth opportunities presented themselves. In contrast, Tom was raised in an affluent family where money was viewed as a source of security and power. This belief instilled in him a drive to accumulate wealth and make bold financial decisions, often embracing calculated risks in pursuit of greater returns. Understanding your deeply rooted money beliefs and attitudes is the first step towards recognizing how they influence your financial choices and, ultimately, your financial outcomes. By becoming aware of these ingrained patterns, you can consciously reshape your mindset and make decisions that align with your true desires and long-term goals. Emotional influences, friend or foe. Emotions play a powerful and often underestimated role in our financial decision-making processes, frequently overriding rational thought and logic. Fear, greed, and overconfidence can lead us astray, causing us to make impulsive or irrational choices that may not align with our long-term financial well-being. Imagine a scenario where the stock market experiences a sudden downturn, sending shockwaves through the investment community. Driven by fear and panic, many investors make the hasty decision to sell their investments, often at a significant loss in an attempt to stem the bleeding. However, history has shown that those who remain calm and level-headed during such turbulent times are often better positioned to weather the storm and capitalize on opportunities that arise when the market eventually rebounds. Conversely, overconfidence can lead to excessive risk-taking, potentially jeopardizing hard-earned savings. Consider the cautionary tale of an investor who, emboldened by a string of successful trades, begins to make increasingly risky and speculative investments, disregarding the principles of diversification and prudent risk management. This path can lead to devastating financial consequences. Learning to manage emotions like anxiety, impatience, or greed is crucial for preventing poor financial decisions and promoting healthier financial behaviors. Cultivating emotional intelligence and self-awareness is a lifelong journey, but one that can pay dividends in the form of long-term financial stability and success. Risk perception, embracing or avoiding. Each individual has a unique tolerance for financial risk, shaped by a complex interplay of factors such as personality traits, life experiences, and financial goals. Some individuals, like cautious Clara, are inherently more risk-averse, preferring the stability and security of low-risk investments. For Clara, the thought of exposing her hard-earned savings to the volatility of the stock market induces sleepless nights and anxiety. On the other hand, daring Daniel embraces risk as an opportunity for potentially greater rewards. With a higher risk tolerance, Daniel is comfortable allocating a significant portion of his portfolio to higher risk, higher return assets like stocks or venture capital investments, understanding that with greater risk comes the potential for greater gains. Understanding your personal risk perception is essential for making informed financial decisions that align with your comfort level and long-term goals. For risk-averse individuals like Clara, low-risk investments like bonds or savings accounts may provide the peace of mind they seek, while those with a higher risk tolerance, like Daniel, may benefit from allocating a portion of their portfolio to higher risk assets. By recognizing your unique risk profile, you can tailor your investment strategies to ensure that you make decisions that not only align with your financial objectives, but also allow you to sleep soundly at night, free from the burden of excessive worry or regret. Overcoming behavioral biases. Human beings are prone to various cognitive biases that can significantly impact our financial choices. Some common biases include availability bias, where we rely heavily on readily available information; confirmation bias, where we seek out evidence that confirms our pre-existing beliefs; and herd mentality, where we follow the actions of others without critical evaluation. Recognizing and overcoming these biases is crucial for making rational financial decisions. For example, being aware of confirmation bias can help investors objectively evaluate potential investments rather than seeking out information that solely supports their preconceived notions. By understanding and addressing these behavioral biases, we can make more informed and objective financial choices, ultimately leading to better financial outcomes. Delayed gratification. The key to long-term success. The ability to delay gratification and exercise self-control is a critical component of achieving long-term financial goals. Resisting immediate temptations, such as unnecessary purchases or impulsive spending, can lead to better financial outcomes in the future. Individuals who practice delayed gratification are often able to prioritize long-term objectives, such as saving for a down payment on a home or building a retirement fund, over short-term pleasures. This mindset requires discipline and a clear understanding of the benefits of deferring gratification for future rewards. Cultivating delayed gratification can be challenging, but it is a valuable skill that can significantly contribute to financial well-being and the attainment of long-term goals. Financial education. Empowering informed decisions. Lack of financial literacy can lead to poor financial choices, debt accumulation, and limited opportunities for wealth creation. Understanding basic financial concepts, investment strategies, and money management principles is essential for making informed financial decisions. Educating oneself about personal finance can help individuals navigate the complexities of the financial world, understand the risks and rewards of different financial options, and build a solid foundation for their financial well-being. Seeking out reputable sources of financial education, such as books, online courses, or working with financial advisors, can empower individuals to take control of their finances and make decisions that align with their goals and values. Social and cultural influences. Overcoming peer pressure. In our interconnected world, our financial behaviors and decisions are often influenced by our social circles, peer pressure, and societal norms. The allure of keeping up with the Joneses or conforming to societal expectations can be powerful, leading individuals to make financial choices that strain their resources or compromise their long-term goals. Consider the example of Emma, a young professional who found herself caught in the grip of peer pressure. Surrounded by friends who indulged in luxury vacations, designer clothing, and lavish dining experiences, Emma felt compelled to maintain a similar lifestyle, even if it meant overextending her finances. The fear of being perceived as different or falling behind her peers drove her to make decisions that jeopardized her long-term financial well-being. In contrast, meet David, an individual who cultivated a strong sense of self-awareness and personal values. While his social circle embraced a culture of conspicuous consumption, David remained grounded in his financial goals and priorities. He developed the confidence to resist the pressure to conform, making financial decisions that aligned with his values and long-term aspirations, rather than being swayed by societal expectations or the perceived judgments of others. Overcoming these social and cultural influences requires a deep understanding of one's personal values, goals, and priorities. It involves developing the resilience to withstand societal pressures and the courage to chart one's path, even if it deviates from the norm. By acknowledging and consciously overcoming these external influences, individuals can make financial choices that are truly aligned with their authentic desires and aspirations, rather than being driven by societal expectations or the fear of being perceived as different. The psychology of money is a fascinating and influential aspect of our financial lives. By understanding the interplay between our mindsets, emotions, biases, and social influences, we can gain greater control over our financial decision-making processes. Remember, achieving financial success is not solely about knowledge or income. It's about cultivating a healthy mindset, managing emotions, and aligning your financial choices with your values and long-term goals. Embrace the power of the psychology of money and take the first step towards a more financially secure and fulfilling future. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more insightful content on personal finance, wealth building strategies, and mindset development.